Okay, student. Now we start our today's work. Okay, students. Now we start our today's SST work. In our previous SST work, we have done short question and long question of this chapter, lesson number 2. Now we start MCQs of this lesson. MCQs number 1. All the MCQs have been taken from your readings. First one is there is dash great oceans. There is dash great oceans in the world. Students, when we read this lesson and when we write the answers of the question, we know that there is dash great oceans in the world. How many great oceans in the world? We have done this question in previous lecture. Option number 1 is 2. Option number B is 5. And option number C is 4. The correct option of these MCQs is option number B, 5. There are 5 great oceans in the world. Is it clear? I hope all of you understand. Student, note down these MCQs in your SST copies with me. After completing our work, I will check your copies. Now I write the second MCQs. The ocean covered dash percent of Earth's surface. All the students write neatly. Option number A is 60%. Option number B is 70%. Option number C is 80%. Okay. The oceans covered dash percent of Earth's surface. How much of Earth's surface is covered with oceans? The correct answer of this MCQs is MCQ option number B, 70%. 70% of Earth's surface is covered by oceans. Is it clear? Now come to the next MCQs. I hope all the students understand these MCQs. It's very easy. All the MCQs have been taken from your readings. Third one is only dash of global waters is clean and drinkable. Is clean and drinkable. How much percent of water, global water, is clean and drinkable? The water that are useful for drinking. Option number A is 1.5%. Option number B is 2.5%. Option number C is 3.5%. Is it clear? The correct answer of this MCQs is, we also learned this MCQs in question answer and also in readings. The correct answer of this MCQs is 2.5%. Only 2.5% water is clean that we use for drinking in our global. Is it clear? It's very easy MCQs. I hope all the students understand and also note down these MCQs with me. Now come to the next MCQs. Next MCQs is Christopher. Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus crossed the Atlantic Ocean in dash. In this MCQs, we tell the year when Christopher Columbus crossed the Atlantic Ocean. Option number A is Option number A is 1990. Option number B is 1492. Option number C is 1942. The correct answer of these MCQs is 1942 MCQs. Option number B is the correct answer. Is it clear? I hope all the students understand. It's very easy MCQs. All the MCQs taking from your question answers and reading. The next MCQs is the sea is a dash body of water closer to the land. The sea is a dash body of water closer to the land. Students, we read this in tomorrow in our previous lecture. Option number A is shortest. Option number B is largest. Option number C is smaller. The sea is a dash body of water closer to the land. Option number A is shortest. Is the sea the shortest body of water? Is the sea the largest body of water? Is the sea the smallest body of water? Yes, the correct answer of this MCQs is smaller. Sea is the smaller body of water which is closer to the land. Is it clear? I hope all of you understand and also note down these MCQs with me. After completing this work, I will check your copies. Now come to the next MCQs. The next MCQs is the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Ocean is the dash largest ocean in the world. In this MCQs, we tell that in the world, which is the number of Atlantic Ocean. Option number A is first. Option number B is second. And option number C is third. Third. The first greatest ocean, largest ocean of the world is Pacific Ocean. And Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. The correct answer of this MCQs is MCQs number B, second. Atlantic Ocean comes to the second number, which is the largest ocean of the world. Is it clear? I hope all the students understand these MCQs. Student, now I raise the above two MCQs and write the MCQs number 7. I hope all the students note these MCQs with me. Now I write the MCQs number 7. MCQs number 7 is Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean covers dash percent. Indian Ocean covers dash percent. Dash percent water. Of the world's dash percent water of the world's ocean. Option number A is 10%. Option number B is 30%. Option number C is 20%. How many percent of Pacific or Indian Ocean covered the water of the world's ocean? The correct answer of this MCQ is 20%. 20% water covered in Indian Ocean. Is it clear? I hope all of you note down these MCQs. Now come to the next MCQs number 8, which is dash ocean has many small islands. Dash oceans has many small islands. नहीं तुम्हारा पहले से हाँ लिया भाई सारा नहीं कहेंगे बस यही वाले जो बोल रही थी। There are dash major oceans in the world. Option number A is 3. Option number B is 4. Option number C is 5. In first MCQs, we tell the great oceans of the world. There are 5 great oceans of the world. And in last MCQs, we tell the major oceans. There are 4 major oceans in the world. Is it clear? I hope all the students understand and note down these MCQs. Students, now I write the diary. Lesson number 2. MCQs 1 to 10. Sivaklan. I hope all the students note down these MCQs and also write the diary. Now students, show me your copies. Have you done your work? Show me your copies. Have you done your work? I hope all the students. Yes, Ruth Fatma, very good. Very good, Jivegesh Park. I hope all the students note down the diary and also note down the MCQs.